Hey guys, I got this for myself. I always dreamed about getting it, and all I have to do is put coffee. I could put grounded coffee, or I could put beans in there. I'll show you, okay? So I have caramel cream beans in there. Well, they're almost finished, and then I could put the grade on how much coffee I want, like a full cup or whatever. And check this out. So I just choose light, medium, or hard, and then I can choose what I want. Trust me, this was expensive. And then I choose my favorite, cappuccino. It grounds fresh coffee automatically, and then it first takes the milk and froths it. Like warms it up, froths it, puts it in the mug, and then, come on. Okay, it's kind of slow.
God, it sure makes you important, doesn't it?
Alright, there you go. Please ignore the sound. So that's hot milk with froth. And I can make this higher or lower, of course it moves. So, and then, and now it's going to start making the coffee. Come on. Check that out, guys.
You know, John, if I was you, I'd tell him I can't make it.
And then once that is done, it also auto cleans itself. See, it says clean. If I don't click it, it will auto clean, but I'll click it because it's just water cleaning the milk. So I will use that because I want it a little lighter. There you go. And look, it cleans the milk and the straw inside. And then when you switch it off, it cleans itself again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this cup. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to keep the other cup. Well, basically, tissue first, because I don't want anything getting in the tray. And I just put this one here. Okay. And when I close it, you'll see it will start auto cleaning itself. The coffee thing cleans itself. See? It's cleaning itself. So nothing stays in the pipe. Awesome, right? Well, just wanted to show you guys my new coffee machine. I've placed it here with Mom's radio. And this is where we put all the stuff. And here's the dining table. So I sit here. This is my chair. And I do the breakfast and I make my coffee over there.